Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious vegetable fried rice. First, let's get everything ready. You'll want about 3 cups of cold, day-old cooked rice. This is key for that perfect, non-sticky texture. Also, prepare your favorite vegetables, like 1 cup of diced carrots, half a cup of peas, and 1 bell pepper, all cut into small, uniform pieces. Having everything prepped before you start cooking makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, in a large wok or a deep skillet over medium-high heat. Once shimmering, add your harder vegetables, such as carrots and onions, and stir-fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, incorporate softer vegetables like peas and bell peppers, continuing to cook until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. This layering ensures everything cooks perfectly. Next, it's time to bring in the star, the rice. Push your cooked vegetables to one side of the pan and add the 3 cups of cold, day-old rice to the empty space. Use your spatula to break up any clumps, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Then, drizzle about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil directly over the rice. This allows the rice to absorb the flavors beautifully before mixing with the vegetables. Finally, let's bring it all together for that perfect fried rice experience. Stir everything vigorously, combining the seasoned rice with the tender crisp vegetables. Continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld and the rice to heat through. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Garnish with fresh chopped green onions for a burst of color and flavor, then serve your delicious vegetable fried rice immediately. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.